All right, what's up? Hey, this is Steve from Stereo Steve's. Today we just wrapped up a 2010 Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna go over, I guess, the equipment, just kind of touch on what we did in this. First of all, we did the ILX F309 from Alpine Halo in dash. We did a Compustar remote start and alarm with the T12 remote kit. What else? We did digital design. We did a three-way component setup in the front of the vehicle. So we utilized the door, the factory location there, put a 6x9 VO in the door, and then up here in the dash, we cut in some tweeters, and then the factory location was big enough to put it was like a 2.75 inch mid-range. So we're doing a three-way up front, passive, and then we have a pair of coax speakers in the back doors, and a 4-channel amp running, a digital design 4-channel amp running front and rear. And then we have a digital design mono block or mono amplifier running two 6.5 inch subwoofers, just in their slimline prefab enclosures. I gotta say, this truck sounds amazing. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and it just sounds amazing. There's a lot of sound up on the dash. You get a full range of sound because we did the three-way. It's not a tweeter in the dash, and then we're using the door speaker to get a lot of the lower what the tweeter doesn't cover. Everything, the mid and the tweet up here in the dash, it's just amazing. This thing sounds amazing. The bass is just crazy for two 6.5s. They're not even broken in yet. I'm ecstatic. And then yeah, I love the way this turned out. It wasn't a super crazy build either. This is quite achievable in almost any vehicle, and with not like a super crazy budget. So it sounds awesome. I'm super happy with it. The customer's gonna be stoked, and yeah, it just came out awesome. I'm smiling ear to ear. So check it out. You need something like this, you want to really enjoy your drive, and just like, this is awesome, give us a call, 801-709-1285. We're in Orem, Utah at 243 West, 700 North. I'm Steve, Stereo Steve, and we want to make your car awesome and put a smile on your face. So give us a call or stop on by. Later.